Hello students, how are you? Welcome back in e-learning classes of Panchkarma department. Today we will discuss about Virachan Karma, learning objectives. In this lecture, we will learn about definition of Virachan Karma, introduction of Virachan Karma, properties of Virechak drugs, types of Virachan Karma, indications and their contraindications. We will discuss about definition. H per Charak Kalpistan first. Charak has told about Virichan Karma. Tatra dosaranam ऊर्ध्वभागम पमन संज्ञकम अधोभागम विरेचन संज्ञकम उभयम व शरीर मल विरेचनात् विरेचन संज्ञा लभते. Means Virechan is purificatory procedure of purgation that involve elimination of pitta dominating doshas, toxins of body through another route. Or in other way, we can say the systemic process by which morbid pitta dosha along with other malas get eliminated called Virechan karma. Now introduction. It's a systemic process which involve many steps like Purv Karma, Pradhan Karma, Paschat Karma, do's and don'ts. It is very useful in eliminating Pitta dosha from human body. It also eliminates malas from body. It cleans the body from cellular level. Virechan should be practiced only after the Purv Karma using the Snehan and Swedan. H. Charak Sutristan. Virechan aims at the elimination of doshas which cannot be removed by Baman or through kidney, stomach, lung, or sweat glands. This process is meant for elimination of dosas through Purishadhara Kala and Yakrat. Karma is a specific process for elimination of Pitta dosha. It is especially indicated for Pitta dos, Pitta predominant dosas, Pitta kafaj, or kaf, kafaj kaf Pitta dosas situated in Pitta sthan, as per Ashtanga Hridaya. Virechan is not contraindicated in cough dose, rather it is also a treatment for Silesmaj Vigar. Amashay is the seat of cough and pith both, hence Virechan is useful for the treatment of both pith and cough dosas. So we can use this procedure pith as well as cough disorder. This process is also useful for elimination of Vados like Pitta Kapha, Sneham Swedan and Mradu Virechan is indicated for treatment of Vados as described by Ashtanga Hridaya in Sutristan chapter number 13. Thus, the scope of Virechan therapy is wider amongst all the Pitta dosas and by the subsidence of Amashaya Pitta all the pitta those get subsided. Important key point of Virechan Karma. First one is Virechan means to expel out dosas through Adobhag. By this route, the dosas can be eliminated by Niruvasti also, but Niruvasti has no power of Adobhagarana. Therefore, Niruvasti cannot be included under Virechan Karma because Virechan expelled out the Amashadi dosage. And also dragging them towards the Adobhag through the Guda. Similarly, the Niruvasti removed the dosa from Pakvashaya. Another point of differentiation between Virechan Karma and Niruvasti is that the Virechan is a specific treatment for Pitta dosa while Vasti is recommended for treating Vata dosha. Difference between Bowman and Verechen curve. So what is the difference between Bowman and Verechen curve? Bowman is a tiresome and stressful process, but Verechen is a painless procedure. There are less possibility of complications in Virecana in comparison to Bowman procedure. And if at all there is any, it is not virulent and can easily be treated. Properties and pharmacological actions of Virechan Dravya. Virechan Dravya have all properties of Bowman Dravya, like Usna, Tikshna, Sukshma, Vyavai, and Vikasi. These drugs consist of Prithvi and Jal Mahabhuta. Virechan drugs have a specific property of removing the dosas from the lower part of body or Adobhagar. Following Virechan drugs described by Charak have been given preference for different degree of Virechan karmas. H. For Sukh Virechan, we will use Trivrat root. For Mradu Virechan, we will use Aragavad. And in Tikshna Virechan, the choice of drug should be Isnohimil. There are several drugs which induce Virechana. To produce a comfortable Virechan karma, Trivrat is the best drug amongst all Virechak drugs. In Charak Kalpistan, Shyama, Trivrat, Aragavad, Lodra, Snuhi, Saptala, Sankhini, Danti, Dravanti, Kalps are described in separate chapters for Virechan. So, for further, you can see and learn from Charak Kalpistan in details. People going further in drugs mentioned in Charak Samhita, I am telling you about pharmacokinetics of Virechan drugs. Virechan drugs are having the character of Vyavai or diffuse in nature and Vikasi spreading in nature by virtue of Virya. They get quickly circulated into large and small capillary of the body. It pervades all over the body by virtue of its Ushna, Tikshna quality. The accumulated dose get liquefied and break up into small pieces at cellular level. Dosa started melting in the body due to Ushna Gun. Then we can observe the perspiration or Sweda Pradurvav on patient's forehead or sometimes whole body. Because of its Vikasi Gun, it detaches the mala from Dhatu. At this stage, we can observe horripilation or low mars in the patient. Owing to presence of Sukshma Gun and Anupravan Bhava properties, the malas or dosas float because already body has get samyak snigdha or internal oleate and pass through smallest capillary and ultimately reach to Pakvasha. Detached mal won't obstruct even in the smallest capillary. Birichandravs also predominant of Prithvi and Aap Mahabhut. When patient feel purgative urge, it indicates that dosas are adobhagam and he may get Virichan Veg at any time. So now Charak has described many types of drugs like Moolni, Phalni, Vedan, Chedan, Puris Viranjaniya, etc. So first of all, we will learn about Moolni Dravya. First Moolni Dravya is Astani. The botanical name of this is Croton tigilium. And next is Operculina terpetum, in Sanskrit name Syama or Trivrit. Operculina luperhelum Swetatrivrit. Fourth one Pureria tuberosa means Vidarigan. Acacia rugata means Saptala. In continuation of Mulini drugs for Virechankar, next is Danti. The Latin name of this drug is Bellio monatum. Next is Citrulus colesynthis, Vinsica, Cassia auriculata or Avartiki, Gynodropis, Pentaphylla, Ajagandha, Croton, Tiglium, द्रवंती, एच पर चरक सूत्र स्थान. Second one is फलनी द्रव्य or fruits. The first drug which fruits used for Virechan Karm is Sankhini or Cansori decussata. Next is Embellia rips or Vidang, a variety of Glycera glabra or Jalaj Madhyasti. Fourth one is Glycera glabra or Stalaj Kilitak. Fifth one is Utkiria pongifilata means Karanj. Next drug is Holoptelia integrifolia. In Sanskrit, we will know it about Udkirya or variety of Karanj. Seventh is Terminalia cebula or Avya or Aritki. Eighth one is Argyreria speciosa or Antakortaka puspa. Ninth was Melolatus philippinus campylaka. 10th is Cassia fistula or Aragvad. According to Charak, salts or lavan are also very useful in Virechan Dravya like Sovarcha lavan, Sandwadi lavan, etc. Some herbs have potency in their chiri. The examples are first one is Euphorbia or Isnuichir, second one is Calotropis procera or Arcachir. We can use of some Virechan drugs have potency for Pakwasagattosa. The examples are Operculana tapetum or Tirvrit, second one is Trifla, third one is Valiospermum momentum or Danti, Indigophoria, Tinctoria or Nalini. Pakwasagat, those properties drugs. Next one is Acacia rugata or Saptala, Acorus calamus or Vacha, Merulotus philippiensis or Campila. Some more drugs which are used in Pakwasagat dosage are Citrullus colocynthis or Gavakshi, Mimosas, Hexandra, Roxburgeri, Chirni, Holoptelia, Intigofolia, Udagiria, Salvadora persica or Pilu, Cassia fistula or Aragvad. In continuation of Pakwasagat properties drugs, next is Vitis vinifera, Croton tigilium, and Beringotonia ecutangula or Nicula. Now भेदनीय द्रव्य एच पर चरक संहिता सूत्र स्थान महाकसाय अध्याय भेदनीय द्रव्य से आर ओपरकुलाइना टर्पिथम और त्रिव्रत कैलेट्रोपिस प्रोसेरा और अर्क रिसिनिस कम्युनिस और एरेंड सीमेकार्पस एनाकार्डियम और अग्निमुख सिट्रुलस कोलिसिंथिस और सिट्रा. Next drug is Valiospermum monetum or Danti, Plumbago jelenica or Chitraga, Plumbagia glabra or Karanj or Chirval, Cansora decustata is Sankhini, Argimon mexicana or Swarnachiri. Now next one is Virechanopak drug. These drugs which are not directly capable into purgation, but they help the Virechan drugs to enhance their properties or action in Virechan Karma. These drugs are first one is Vitis vinifera or Draksha, second is Camellinia arborea or Gambari, third one is Jutia frondosa or Falsa, Fourth one is Terminalia cebula or Haritki, Phalanthus emblica or Amalki. Next, विरेचनोपक drug are Terminalia bellerica vividki, Ekegu or Kual, Gigifus jujuba Badar, Karkandu, Salvadora persica or Pilu. Next is Purisa Viranjaniya drug. Some drugs have properties of Purisa Viranjaniya as per Charak Sutristan Makasai Adhyay 4. First one is Syzygium cumuni or Jambu, Boswellia serrata or Sallaki, Cinnamonum gelanicum or Twak, Phagona arborea or Durlava, Glycyrrhiza glabra or Modesty. Next is Pinus roxburghii or Srivestak, Brishtamrita, Homeo reniculata, Payasaya, Nymphia stellata, Niloptala, Sesam indicum or Til. So dear student, we will continue in Virechan Karma in next class. For now, thank you.